Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a super-de-duper turkey meatloaf. First thing you want to do is get about 4 tablespoons of a beaten egg into your mixing bowl. Add roughly about a tablespoon of milk. If you want to get specific, I was using whole milk for this. Then you want about a half a cup of diced red pepper. And then a cup and a half of cornbread that I stuck in my food processor and obviously turned it to basically pulp. And then roughly about 4 tablespoons worth of diced onion. And then you just want a little bit, about let's say a quarter of a teaspoon of dried basil that I just eyeballed. So. Then of course a little bit of salt and some pepper. And then you want to add 1 pound of ground pork. And then you want to follow that up by 1 pound of ground turkey. Alright, then you just want to attach your paddle attachment, lock it into place, and on a low speed, mix everything together. It'll take a minute or two. Then you want to get out your meatloaf pan, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Okay, as you can see here, getting that mix out. And basically we're just going to pat it down, make sure everything's nice and cool. And then you're going to want to bake this for roughly, it took me about an hour to get this thing to when it was 165. So just kind of pat it around, make it nice and flat. Once it's getting nearly done, like it's in that 157, 160 range, you're going to want to spread some barbecue sauce on the top of it. Any barbecue sauce you like. Because again, if you were to add the barbecue sauce right now, it most likely would burn. And again, caramelized barbecue sauce tastes great. Burnt barbecue sauce tastes like shit. So when it's getting nearly done, then brush some barbecue sauce on it. And through the magic of cooking show editing, the meatloaf is done. And I gotta say, this was actually really good. So, that's turkey meatloaf. Done.